Hey guys, we're about to change cabin air filter on 2021 Mazda CX30 2.5 select all-wheel drive, if that matters. So there's like 4 knobs. You push them inwards. See how this came off. So you push the other one, then other one came off. There's third one, there's fourth. So these are the 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you press them, they come off. So this comes out. And there's like, if you press these 2 buttons and then try to pull towards you, then it'll come off. So this is my old cabin air filter. See how dirty is it? Look at this compared to new one. Yeah, it was about time to change. So I'm gonna put this right here for now. Let's go ahead and put this one. See, this should be down. So so when you pull the old one out, watch out for that. How you pull it outside, that's how you put it in, the new one. I don't want to go in. I think this is in. I think that works. Put that back. Then you just tap this up. That's it. Change cabin air filter in less than 5 minutes.